Hey everyone, hope you all are doing great. So today I would like to discuss about the ecosystem components. That means in our surrounding, that is in our environment, there are different types of components present and where we can interact and the living and non-living organisms that interact with each other. So let's start. So basically the ecosystem components can be divided into two types. One is abiotic factors and another one is biotic factors. What is biotic factors? Biotic means the living organism. That means they have life. Yes. But in case of abiotic, abiotic, that means A stands for the absence of life. That means the abiotic factors are belongs to the non-living organism. That means what are they? The light, temperature, pH, air, soil, fire, salinity, nutrients and many more non-living things. But in that case, the biotic components, it is divided into two types. One is autotrophs and another one is heterotrophs. So what is autotrophs? Auto, that means self. Okay, so autotrophs, the trophs that define the trophic level, that means in the food chain where their location or where they live in the food chain. Is it in the lower level or higher level? So that means the troph means the position in the food chain. So autotrophs, those are the producer. That means they can produce the organic nutrient like our plants. Yes, plants are our friend. Why? Because they provide us many things and the one of them is food. Without food we can't live. So the autotrophs are the plants. So basically they are producer. They are producer in the earth. Okay, so the plants, they can do photosynthesis with the help of light, with the help of CO2, with the help of water. They can make organic nutrient through which we can get it and we can produce energy. So those are the autotrophs. Now here I came to the heterotrophs part. So we are heterotrophs, yes, but which part? Here are the four types of heterotrophs present. One is herbivore, omnivore, detrivore and carnivores. So what is herbivores? Basically those particular organisms or those animals, those can feed upon the plants. Okay, so those are like cow, goat, etc. They are herbivores. And the next is omnivores. They can eat plants and animals too, like us. We are omnivorous. We can depend upon plants and also animals. Next is carnivores, like tiger. So they are carnivorous. They can eat bison. They can eat goat, cow, etc. So animal. They are animal feeder. So those are carnivorous. The next is detrivores. The detrivores are those particles, those can decompose the organic material from the dead bodies of living organism. Suppose in case of plants or animals, after their death, the plants, the living organism, they can decompose their organic nutrient or organic molecules to the soil or to the environment. So the decomposition, which is done by different types of bacteria, different microorganisms though. So those are basically detrivores. Those can use or can consume their energy from the dead bodies. Those are detrivores. So this is all about the abiotic factors and biotic factors. A brief idea about it. Basically the abiotic factor and the biotic factor, they are interconnected among themselves, such as without light the autotrophs can't reproduce, right? Without sunlight they can't produce food. Not, yes, sometimes also reproduction is accompanied by the light too, but the main thing, which is the food producer, the plants cannot produce food without sunlight. The sunlight is important. Also temperature, in such as in some cases Temperature in some cases, like the reproduction, the temperature is also important. Some cases like crocodiles, whose reproduction is temperature dependent. And also pH, air, soil, we can't live without the abiotic factor. If you just compare with you only, so you cannot live without the abiotic factor. And also the abiotic factor which is maintaining by us. Okay, so that is the biotic factors. So the biotic factor, in case of biotic factors, the autotrophs and heterotrophs, those can also interconnected. Without plants we cannot get like gum, the furniture, the place, the living things, the nest for the birds, which is not produced from the plants. And the main thing which is food, that is the main important thing. The food we cannot get from the plant because we don't have that mechanism. We like the herbivores, the detritivores and carnivores. No one have the mechanism to produce the food by themselves. So everyone should depend on the autotrophs. So this is it about today's video. Hope you can understand it, and if you understand the topic, the video, please, and if you like the video, please like the button, press the like button, and also make or leave a comment what to do the next or many more if you have any request. And please press the red button which is the subscribe button and support me. Till then, take care of yourself and also your family. Bye bye.